In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make two-column field in Zoho Sites. First, open the Zoho Sites website builder in your browser. On the landing page, look for the Sign In button and click it. When the Sign In options appear, choose the Google option if that's how your account is set up. If you're already logged into Google in your browser, you'll see your available accounts. Select the one connected to Zoho Sites. If not, sign into your Google account and allow Zoho Sites to proceed. This simply authenticates you so you can access your websites and the editor. Once you're inside Zoho Sites, you'll land on your dashboard. Find the website or project you want to edit and click it to open the site builder. On the left or top navigation, locate Pages to view your site's page list. Choose the page you want to work on and click Edit Content. This opens the visual editor where you can add and arrange sections and elements. With the editor open, start by adding a new section to give yourself a clean area to work. Click Add Section, then look for the Elements panel. To establish your first piece of content, click Paragraph and place it in the new section, and this will serve as one of the items that will sit in a column. Next, hover near the content you just placed and click the plus sign to add another element. In the panel that appears, choose Element to open the full element list. Select Heading, but don't drop it right away. Click and drag the heading toward the right side of the existing paragraph. As you move it, watch for a vertical guide mark to appear. That thin vertical guide is your cue that Zoho Sites will place the heading in a new column alongside the paragraph rather than stacking it below. When you see that guide, release to drop the heading. You now have a simple two-column layout, a paragraph on one side and a heading on the other. If the element snaps below instead of beside, try dragging a little slower and aim for the edge of the existing element until the vertical guide shows. You can edit the text in both elements right away, and you can use the element handles to adjust spacing so the columns breathe. For clean alignment, keep similar types of content at roughly the same height across the two columns. Finally, glance at the mobile preview to ensure the columns stack in a readable order on smaller screens. And that's how you create a two-column field in Zoho Sites with drag and drop simplicity.